Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing a demonstration video of my 52-inch Harbor Breeze Whitestar II in white and brass. This fan came out of my kitchen. It was original to the house, and yeah, it's in pretty nice shape for how old it is and what it is. Blade irons are replaced, but that's fine. They still match pretty well. Just the light. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is a really good performing fan. I've taken a strong liking to it. It's pretty quiet and it's very powerful. Let's go ahead and start up on aesthetic low, which is low on the fan control and low on the wall control that it's installed on. It does have a slight motor hum, but I think there is something a bit off about one of the there's something with the light kit. Might be one of the bulbs, I don't really know. I'll have to do some investigationing. Definitely very happy that this fan is still around. It was one of my favorites in the house. This one and the Hunter Passport 2 were my favorite. Sorry I didn't upload videos the last couple days. I was a little busy. Just didn't have time to get to it. That was like almost a year that I had uploaded a video every day, I think. I have plenty of videos to upload, just haven't had time to actually upload them. This one will be going up as soon as I'm done filming it. Not moving my chair on aesthetic low, that's why it's called aesthetic low. Here's the light. Go ahead and move it up to performance low. So every setting except aesthetic low will be controlled with the pull chain. I want to get all the true speeds out of it. Excuse the yelling. My brothers are playing football outside with my neighbors, so it's pretty loud and very competitive. On low, it moves decent air. Not much, but you can tell it's there and it's very steady. Decently quiet. Oh, and another thing, it's in almost perfect balance. Take it up to medium. Medium, I think, is the only speed it wobbles noticeably on. Bearings are a little bit bad in it. They're not horrible, they're just your typical old fan bearings. Slightly noisy, still very free. That's about it. They've gotten worse since it's been installed in here. I don't know if it likes the continuous running or not. My guess would be no, since it's gotten worse. But there is definitely a much more noticeable breeze on low, or on medium. And again, it's very steady. Up on the bed, it's perfect. Usually runs on medium at night. Last couple nights it's gotten colder outside, so it's been on low. And I actually used an updraft the other day because it was too cold, but I still wanted to see it running. Show you the light. Let's go ahead and move it up to high. Now, oddly enough, the bearing noise does get quieter on high. Don't ask me how that works, because I have no clue. Yeah, it wobbles. It's not noticeable, or it's not too bad. I'm completely fine with that amount of wobble. Especially with the amount of air this thing's pushing. It is pushing a ton of air. Very quiet too. Any noise that isn't fan noise is definitely overpowered by wind noise. I don't know if you can tell, it's a Harbor Breeze pull chain. Show you the light one more time. And go ahead and shut it off. Set it back to low as well. It's been a minute since I've watched this thing fully spin down in here. I don't know how good it is. Hopefully it's good. That's gonna go ahead and end the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. demonstration of this Breeze Whitestar II in white and brass. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.